Hello, my dear students of Benguet State University. Welcome to our online class. I am your teacher, Jan Lasea. Today, I demonstrate the second way on how to design the physical layout of the laboratory hands-on activity number 2 entitled Time Deposit. On page 18 of the laboratory manual shows the picture physical design of the Time Deposit mobile application. The table layout was applied in this design. Let us go to the Eclipse IDE. I click the main.xml, and as you can see, the default layout is relative layout. Let us convert this relative layout into a table layout. I click the graphical layout, I right click this layout, and then click change layout. I click the drop down button, table layout, and then click OK. To verify if the relative layout was replaced by table layout, I click the main.xml, and as you can see, it is now table layout. I click the graphical layout and then zoom in. I will remove this text view containing hello world. Let us change the background color of this table layout. I left click this table layout, or I left click the table layout 1 under the outline to show the properties down below. I search and locate the property background and then put a value, number sign, 0000 FF. Let us place a table row under this table layout. I click Layouts, scroll down, and add a table row. Place it on top. Next, let us place a label or a text view. I click the form widgets and then choose a medium size text view. Drag and drop and place inside that table row. In the properties, we will set or modify the text value to time deposit. Change the text color to yellow. Change the text size to 20 SP. SP stands for Scale Independent Pixels. Set the text style to bold. Let us center the time deposit under the table row. I select the table row. I go to the property named Gravity and put a value center. Next, let us add a table row underneath. I go to Layouts, place a table row underneath, place a medium size text view to that table row, change the text property value to customer name. Set the text color to green. Set the text size to 14 SP. Set the text style to bold. And let us place a edit text or text box inside the table row beside the customer name. I click text fields and then select ABC and then drag and drop place inside the table row number 2 onto the right side. Change the property ID name to text customer name. Click yes, click OK, add again another table row, place underneath, place a medium size text view to the left side of that table row, Change the text value to principal amount. Set the text color to green. Set the text size to 14 SP. Set the text style to bold. Next, let us place a text box or edit text. I click text field, choose ABC, place inside to the right side of that principal amount inside the table row number 3. Change the ID name to text principal amount. Click yes. Click OK. Add another table row underneath. Place a medium-sized text view inside the table row. Change the text value to rate. Change the text color to green. Set the text size to 14 SP. Set the text style to bold. Next, we will put a text box or text field, edit text, inside the table row to the right side of the rate. Change the ID name to text rate. Click yes. Click OK. Add another table row underneath. Place a medium-sized text view to the left side inside the table row. Change the value of the text property to time. Change the text color to green. Set the text size to 14 SP. Set the text style to bold. Place a text field to the right side of that table row. Change the ID name to text time. Click yes. Click OK. Add another table row underneath. Place a medium-sized text view. Change the ID name to LBL, compound interest. Click yes. Click OK. Change the text value to change the text color to green. Change the text size to 14 SP. Change the text style to bold. Add a text row underneath. Table row underneath. Place a medium-sized text view. Change the ID name to LBL, compound amount. Click yes. Click OK. Change the text value to change the text color to green. Set the text size to 14 SP. Set the text style to bold. place or add another table row underneath, place a button, set the ID name of that button to BTN compute, click yes, click OK, change the text value to compute, add another button to the right side of that text row beside the compute button, change the ID name to BTN, exit, click yes, click OK, change the text value to exit. Let us change the properties of the two command buttons compute and exit. I click compute button. I go to the layout parameter properties. I change the width value to 0 dp. dp stands for density independent pixels. I put a value of weight of 1. I select the exit button. I change the width value to 0 dp. I put a weight value of 1. Let us change the theme so that the edit text or text boxes will have a plain color of white together with compute and exit button. Let us go back to the manual and locate the values -B11 and copy the parent theme. The parent theme is Android theme.light. I expand the folder values B11, double click styles.xml. I left click styles.xml tab and then change the parent value theme. I press Ctrl S to save. I go back to the laboratory manual, locate values B14, copy the value Android theme.light no title bar full screen. I expand the folder values B14, double click styles.xml, click styles.xml tab and replace the parent theme value. Save. And let us go back to the graphical layout. I go to the layout folder and expand and then double click inside the file main.xml. Write your questions and comments down below or post it in our Google Classroom. That ends our topic for today. I hope you have learned in my class. Thank you for watching. God bless us.